Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain React Native with VS Code. Let's dive right into setting up your development environment. First, ensure you have Node.js and npm or Yarn installed. Then, install VS Code. We'll explore how this powerful combination streamlines your mobile app development, making the process smoother and more productive. Get ready to build amazing cross-platform applications with ease. VS Code offers a robust set of features tailored for React Native. Its intelligent code completion, powered by IntelliSense, significantly speeds up coding by suggesting relevant snippets and definitions. The integrated debugger allows you to set breakpoints and inspect variables directly within your editor, saving valuable development time. Plus, built-in Git integration simplifies managing your project's version history. To truly supercharge your React Native workflow in VS Code, several extensions are indispensable. The React Native Tools extension provides crucial debugging capabilities and commands. ESLint and Prettier ensure your code remains clean, consistent, and adheres to best practices across your team. For collaborative projects, LiveShare allows real-time co-editing, making pair programming incredibly efficient and productive. Optimizing your workflow in VS Code can dramatically boost your productivity. Customize your settings to match your preferences, from themes to font sizes. Mastering keyboard shortcuts will allow you to navigate files and execute commands with lightning speed, saving countless clicks. Integrating testing frameworks like Jest directly into your setup ensures continuous quality assurance, making your development process robust and reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.